Lean, Agile, and Scrum, three terms that have gained popularity in software development in recent years. But people can get them confused, which is which, and what does what. Sorting out the difference may not be easy, and a company may say they are doing Agile or being lean in practice, but in essence they are following a Scrum methodology. And if they are not following a specific framework or methodology, it will be hard to truly embody the principles and values described in the Lean and Agile culture. That is because Lean and Agile are more philosophies than anything else. They are not methodologies within themselves, but rather a collection of principles and values that form the basis for Agile methodologies and frameworks such as Scrum. In general, the objective of Agile methods is to reach the goals through continuous, easy-to-measure processes that focus on starting a dialogue day one with the customer with regards to requirements and planning, and then adapting with the customer through the cycles of design, develop, and test. In the management philosophy inspired by Toyota, the Lean Way, system practices and results are characterized by a process structure where there's an attempt to minimize risk and waste while maximizing value. It is this value that we start with. We identify it, map the value stream from trigger to actual value delivery, create and visualize the flow or sequence of steps needed to actually deliver that value, establish a pull for the team or a way for them to actually execute on those steps, and finally allow the team to seek perfection or continuous improvement. Lean is the foundation of Agile and can be perfectly applied across multiple business areas. In this chart, we see that Agile development borrows a lot of concepts from Lean. We start off with requirements and planning, which is basically identifying value, and then define the sequence of steps required to get from design to release. We also allow the team to continuously improve by tracking and monitoring their performance on each iteration so they can achieve perfection. Thus, the delivery of results becomes faster and prioritized by value. The main focus achieved is that the processes become more flexible and capable of adapting to change. The Scrum framework is an incremental and iterative development method, which is Agile. It defines a set of practices, roles, events, artifacts, and rules designed to guide the team in execution of the project. The team takes a sprint backlog, which is a prioritized list of value-add requirements, and pulls from that sprint backlog, discussing the progress in daily meetings called Scrums. At the end of each sprint, they have a value-add, releasable product delivered to the customer. Agile methods are more than a set of rules or procedures. They are a way of thinking, almost a philosophy. Basically, the Agile methods are based on three main aspects: working with small incremental advances called iterations, a customer focus in which the customer is constantly consulted, and a validation where testing is always done before moving on. As a result of this thinking, organizations are able to significantly reduce the risk associated with product development and maximize their return on investment.